everybody, welcome back to my channel. I got another unboxing to share with you, and this time I have got August Birchbox, and this is what it looks like. And it's a little bit different this month because it's an actual box. Normally we get little drawers, but yeah, so it's a box this month. So as always, if you're new to Birchbox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I received this month, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to click forward. So this is Birchbox UK, and it's a monthly beauty subscription box. The cost of the box is £12.95, and that includes shipping. Inside you get 5 beauty treats, and they range from skincare, hair care, makeup and nails, and sometimes makeup tools and things as well. The sizes of the products tend to be minis, travel sizes and samples. We might get the odd 1 or 2 full-size items now and again, but it's quite rare. The main aim of this box, as far as Birchbox is concerned, is to provide a monthly beauty treat of products for you to try, and if you like the products, then you go on to the Birchbox website and you purchase the full-size products. There's always discounts, there's always offers going on their website. Plus, if you are a subscriber to Birchbox for 6 months or longer, you become a VIP, which entitles you to have, I believe it's 15% off their website. Some months are better than others, and every month they bring out an edit right at the start of the month. I'll pop it down in the description so you're able to have a look, and that edit shows you what you might receive in the box. Everyone will receive 1 or 2 products, but I'd say about 3 tends to be different from everyone else. All details and everything related to Birchbox I'll pop down below in my description, and also my refer a friend code, which will entitle you to have, I believe it's £5 off your first box. I should know by now, but yeah, I'll pop it down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more. If you click on that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So yeah, so let's get on to unboxing and seeing what I received this month. Normally it's packaged quite well, and I've got like worms, little paper worms, but there's nothing. So that's what it looks like there, a little sneak peek. So I've got 2 leaflets. This August we are celebrating International Female Orgasm Day. So in order to break down some of the taboos surrounding your topic, last month we asked you to take part in an anonymous survey all about sexuality. The results are in, and we wanted to share a few of them with you. And there's some results here, plus you can go onto their website to learn a little bit more. So there's that. I never knew there was a thing. Obviously I knew that there was a thing of orgasm, but I didn't know that there was a National Orgasm Day. Anyway, the theme of the month then is Self-Love Day. We've got 1 full size, and then we've got 4 samples or minis. Next month we get to choose between 2 lip products from Model Co Beauty. You can either choose a lip gloss in Peachy Babe or a lipstick bullet in Petal. I'll probably opt for the one in Petal here. So the one thing I do like about Birchbox is that when they do have sneak peeks like this and you subscribe to their box, you do get an email a couple of weeks before the box is due to release asking you what you'd prefer. If you don't reply, then they just send you a random one, but they do this quite often, like with blushes and eyeshadows and things like that. So I like that. I do like that about them. Hello Birchboxers. This August we are celebrating International Female Orgasm Day because pampering yourself starts with feeling great about yourself, both inside and out. Remember, you are the love of your life. Don't you forget that. So the first product in the box is a pineapple glow serum antioxidant, 15 mils, and it's by the brand fgew. I think that's how you pronounce it or how you say it. But that sounds gorgeous, doesn't it? A lightweight morning, evening serum made with pineapple extract, antioxidants, multi-molecular, hyaluronic acid, provitamin B5, and golden light reflectors to hydrate and enhance your natural glow in 3 to 4 drops. Right, let's have a look. It's like a cream. Ooh. But does it smell of pineapple? Yeah, it's a faint smell of pineapples in there. It feels really lovely, actually. Oh, it feels really, really nice. This is a sample or a mini, and to buy the full size it will cost you £18. And then the information just goes on to telling you what I've read off the back, but it says here 1 gram of hyaluronic acid can hold up to 6 litres of water. It's moisture boosting magic. That's the first item. Next we've got a product by Aveda, and this is Beautifying Composition Oil, Uplifting Aromatic Oil for Body, Bath and Scalp. And we've got 30 mils there. Ooh, got 30 mils there. Now I have a few products from Aveda, and they're really nice. I've got quite a bit of hair products. No, there's not much of a scent, but yeah, it feels like a nice oil. I do have quite a lot of oils at the moment, so I'm not sure if I would get round to using this, not straight away anyway. It's just, I do love oils. I've got quite a bit of oils behind me in my little, can you see it on the floor where, there. Underneath my jewellery I've got a little like bedtime unit type thing there with all like my nice oils and creams and things like that. So I do use oils at night, and I use it in moisturiser, I use it in the shower, in the bath and everything, but I have got a lot of them at the moment. It's nice, but it's not exciting me as such, unless it can tell me something that's a little bit different to the others. So this is a little mini, and the full size would cost £24. It softens and moisturises with a blend of organic olive, soya bean and safflower oils. Add to running water for a nourishing bath with the uplifting aroma of rosemary, lavender and bergamot, or apply a few drops to damp skin to seal in moisture after a steamy shower. The smell is very subtle, which will appeal to a lot of you, I know, but yeah, if I was going to use it in the bath or something, I'd want it quite strong so that when I come out then it sort of lingers. But yeah, it's nice but not a wow product for me. Next I've got, I think it's a product for your hair, and this is by Oribe. It's a new brand, so apologies for like not saying that right. Oribe or Oribe, I'll show you now, but it's a matte waves texture lotion, and we've got 15 mils there. How would you say that? Oribe, I think. Anyway, it says glide into damp hair, defining waves and natural texture as you go. Apply bronzer while you air dry. What the heck? What's bronzer got to do with putting this in your hair? This is a sample, and to buy the full size it will cost you £42.50, and it says the non-drying formula of this texture lotion creates waves in even the finest of hair. Made with Oribe's wave resin complex and the signature blend of watermelon, lychee and edelweiss flower extracts, your strands will be textured, frizz-free and protected from the drying effects of the elements. Now, it sounds amazing, doesn't it? And it says apply your bronzer while you air dry. Never mind. Oh my gosh, that has an amazing scent. Oh, that is so lovely. Yeah, really like that. Next we got a Lord & Berry product. Lord & Berry is a firm subscription box favourite. We have loads and loads of Lord & Berry products. This is a Line Shade Glam, and it's an eye pencil, and ooh, antique bronze. Something a little bit different. We normally get black. I like black, I wear black, but you know, it'd be nice to get something a little bit different, isn't it? It's very difficult to write on my hand because I've got the lotion on there, but you can sort of see the shade there. It's sort of like a bronze sort of shimmer to it. That's nice, actually. That is really nice. This is full size. Oh yeah, it gets me all the time because it doesn't look like a full size, you know, it's quite small, but it is a full size, and to buy this it will cost you £10. This Birchbox favourite glides on like a dream, no matter your level of expertise. Rich in pigment and ultra blendable, it can also be smudged out for a gorgeously soft, smoky effect. It's got an eyeliner. And then lastly we have got a incredible bronzer by the brand Real Her. Gorgeous packaging, a marble packaging there. I wonder last month if we chose the shade for this. I can't remember now. I can't remember. Maybe I didn't even choose. Maybe that's why. Haven't heard of this brand before. But no, lovely packaging. Uh-oh, has it got... It's got a bit of powder all over it. Hopefully it's not broken inside. No, it's not broken. It's not broken. Got a little thing there. So you've got a mirror. And that's what it looks like. It's an okay shade, but we'll have to see what that's like at blending and whether it looks a little bit too muddy for me on my face. So this is a mini. To buy a set of 3, which has got it looks like it's got a bronze highlighter and a blush altogether. That'll cost you £23.50. The light umber shade will help to enhance your features and bring warmth to the face. For a sun-kissed sculpted look, brush this powder on the sides of your forehead and cheekbones and finish by sweeping along the jawline. So yes, so that's the last of the items, so I'm just going to gather them all up. So these are all the items that I received in this month's Birchbox. There's 5 items in all, and there's one full-size item, which is the eyeliner, and that costs £10, and all the others are minis or samples. It's an okay box. It's an okay box. I'm not that blown away by it this month at all. This smells absolutely gorgeous. This hair texture cream, it smells amazing. Lord & Berry, very hit and miss. From memory, I don't think I'm keen on the eyeliners, but I like the colour of this, so I'll see. This pineapple serum is lovely as well. Really nice on my skin, and yeah, it smells really nice, very subtle. But yeah, the oil, not much scent at all. I'll pop it down in the bathroom and I'll probably use it in the bath. And then this bronzer, it's not really the shade that I normally go for. It's okay, but it's not really for me. It's an okay box, but nothing wow, unfortunately, for me this month. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of what I've received? Do you subscribe to Birchbox? Did you receive the same as what I did, or did you receive other items? I'd love to know. Or are you watching this wondering whether Birchbox is a box for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But if you haven't done so already, it'd be lovely for you to give me a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.